Hi, I'm Jerry Hendricks. I'm here with the City of Kyle Certified Branding Committee to welcome Goldilocks Cleaning Services into our certified family. Let's go ahead and see what they're doing. How are y'all?
Good.
Well, we're with the City of Kyle Certified Branding Committee, and we're here to welcome you into our certified family. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you've done to become certified?
So for Christmas this year, we are giving all of our clients a pie cutter branded with a recipe, and this year's recipe is buttermilk pie.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
So, as part of our certified family, we have some really cool swag for you.
Here is your official certificate.
Thank you.
You have your official sticker in there, certified sticker.
Awesome. Here's a yummy pie.
Last but not least, in honor of being our 40th business into the program, I'd like to give you an official apron for the Pie Capital of Texas.
Thank you.